मुझसे जुड़े रहने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें। क्या आपके दिल में नफरत नहीं है? Isn't there hate in your heart? Isn't there hate in your heart? तुम यहाँ क्यों छिपे हुए हो? Why are you hidden here? Why are you hidden here? शेर जंगल का राजा है. Lion is the king of forest. Lion is the king of forest. उस गांव में एक पार्क था. There was a park in that village. There was a park in that village. कक्षा में एक लड़का बैठा था. There was one boy sitting in the class. There was one boy sitting in the class. तकिए के नीचे एक किताब है. There is a book beneath the pillow. There is a book beneath the pillow. इस तरह के कई फूल हैं. There are so many such flowers. There are so many such flowers. खेलने के लिए मैदान नहीं है. There is no ground to play. There is no ground to play. मेरे बटुए में पैसे नहीं हैं. There is no money in my wallet. There is no money in my wallet. जब कभी भी मैं परेशान था. Whenever I was in trouble. Whenever I was in trouble. वहाँ एक कुआं है. There is a well. There is a well. प्यार जैसी कोई चीज नहीं होती. There is no such thing as love. There is no such thing as love. यह खाने की कोई जरूरत नहीं. There is no need to eat this. There is no need to eat this. एक पेड़ है जिसका रंग लाल है. There is a tree of red color. There is a tree of red color. बिजली की तार को मत छुओ. Don't touch the electric wire. Don't touch the electric wire. बहुत सहा बस अब नहीं. Suffered a lot but not anymore. Suffered a lot but not anymore. वह ठंड की वजह से कांप रहा है. He is shivering due to cold. He is shivering due to cold. खांसते समय अपना मुंह ढको. Cover your mouth while coughing. Cover your mouth while coughing. सभी बुरी आदतें छोड़ दो. Leave all the bad habits. Leave all the bad habits. आज उसका टीकाकरण है. His vaccination is there today. His vaccination is there today. वह बहुत जिद्दी हो गया है। He has become so obstinate. He has become so obstinate. इसके जिम्मेदार सिर्फ तुम हो। Only you are the responsible for this. Only you are the responsible for this. असुविधा के लिए हमें खेद है। We regret for the inconvenience. We regret for the inconvenience. तुम्हारी प्रतिभा काबिले तारीफ है। Your talent is praiseworthy. Your talent is praiseworthy. ये पैसा वसूल शो था। This show was worth watching. This show was worth watching. पंजाब में बाढ़ आई हुई है। पंजाब is flooded. पंजाब is flooded. आपके सहयोग के लिए धन्यवाद। Thanks for your cooperation. Thanks for your cooperation. तुम बहुत सहयोगी हो। You are very cooperative. You are very cooperative. तुमने सारी योजना बिगाड़ दी। You spoiled the whole plan. You spoiled the whole plan. मुझे हल्के रंग का फ्रेम चाहिए। I need a lighter frame. I need a lighter frame. मैंने एक दांत के डॉक्टर को बुलाया है। I called a dentist. I called a dentist. वो मुझे धोखा नहीं दे सकती। She can't cheat me. She can't cheat me. मैं अगले हफ्ते दिल्ली जाऊंगी। I will go Delhi next week. I will go Delhi next week. ट्रेन से उतरो। Get off the train. Get off the train. मैं अब और सहन नहीं कर सकता। I can't tolerate anymore. I can't tolerate anymore. उसके काम में कोई गलती नहीं है। There is no flaw in his work. There is no flaw in his work.